Ne parle
Pas.
cinquième partie.
Ne mange pas dans la classe.
Ne mange pas dans la classe. It's gonna be ne mangez pas. No, it's fine. Ne mange. Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Très bien. I mean, I want to say it went very well.
Quel sujet nous avons discuté?
Oh, what did we do? Not how did it go?
हाँ, I'm asking what did we do? Qu'est-ce que nous avons fait hier?
How to
Quel
how
est le
can like
sujet?
Acha,
Le nom
what
du
did we
sujet que nous avons discuté. The name of the topic that we discussed.
We did
wait
questions.
l'imparfait.
Nous avons fait les questions de l'imparfait. Now, today we will be doing question number 2 and question number 3, then question number 5. I think you can zoom the you can zoom in and zoom out the screen from your side also, maybe in case you want to.
So we'll do question number 2 first.
Yeah, example is given. So based on the example, you can. Question number 2 is all about transformer ces phrases à la forme négative.
Negative.
Then third one is quite easy. We just have these are all the pronominal verbs. If you will just have a look at the example, vous devez, vous levez, right?
Hmm.
The main
Hmm.
verb is se lever. So levez-vous is the imperative form. Why? Because deve, we don't have any imperative of devoir verb,
Right.
right? So we will remove this devoir, we will remove this subject pronoun. We will be left with vous levez. And in case of pronominal verb, we then change it, like invert it, right? So it will be levez-vous. Then here it will be couche-toi.
But this question, what does it say? Fake com
Faites comme l'exemple qui suit. Do like the example
Do like
as
the
follows. That is followed. And in question number 5, we have to rewrite the sentences in imperative form in the second person singular form, that is with tu form.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Okay, Anubhuti, you have also done. Let's discuss the answers. So, what is the answer for the question number 2, first part, Anubhuti?
no ne pourrait pas plus vite.
No, ne courez pas plus vite. Okay,
So jouer, it ne so pas jouer.
ne sors pas.
Pas jouer.
D'accord?
So in this there'll be S.
Yeah.
But if we are not writing in negation, then also
Doesn't
there's
matter.
S.
Doesn't matter. This is sortir. This is sortir verb. This is an IR ending.
IRN.
Third part, Anubhuti.
Nous ne chantons pas une chanson.
D'accord. Next.
Ne parle pas français.
Ne parle.
Pas.
Cinquième partie.
Ne mange pas dans la classe.
Ne mange pas dans la classe. It's gonna be ne mangez pas. No, it's fine. Ne mange pas.
Mange pas. Lève-toi tôt. Lève-toi tôt. That will be ne te lève pas tôt.
Bravo. Ne te lève pas tôt. Après ça, Anubhuti.
Then ne promenez pas.
Ne promets.
Ne promenez pas vous tous les soirs. I think it's wrong.
Ne
It's ne vous.
promenez
Vous,
pas.
ne vous, yeah, ne vous.
Ne vous promets pas.
Because promener is a promenez-vous, this is a reflexive verb,
Reflexive, yeah.
nominal verb. So, okay. Après ça, la dernière partie, Sumanda ma'am.
Dépêchons-nous. That will be ne nous dépêchons pas.
Pas.
Right? This was basically that negation does not have inversion, so we had to convert.
Correct.
And negation is largely it's just adding ne and pa.
Absolutely.
है ना? Yeah, I was getting confused. And for promenade and that's it's a reflexive verb, na?
Correct.
जो inverted है वो reflexive होता है और change सही है मेरा okay.
All right. Okay. Next one, Sugandha ma'am.
Couche-toi.
Couche-toi.
Bravo. Couche-toi. Deuxième partie, Anubhuti.
I wrote the conjugation of assay. I wrote ASSEONS nu hyphen nu.
It's
Silent.
asayon, no.
Assay is what?
To sit. Okay.
Oh,
Asayon, no. Let's sit.
sit to sit. Let's sit. Yeah. Assay.
Troisième partie, Sugandha ma'am.
Habillez-vous.
Next.
Couple ongle. Where is the but?
This is the
Coupe-toi.
predominant verb.
Coupe.
Coupe-toi
Yeah.
les ongles.
PR verbs, no S. And okay, so my turn.
Yeah.
Excusez-nous.
Right. Do you
I'll
know
have to
the
make
meaning of coupe-toi les ongles?
no.
It's
Your nails.
Cut your nails.
ping.
Nails.
मुझे कट पता था ओंग्स मेरे थे एंगल
No. Ongle.
Ongle is nails.
Nails.
Ongle.
yesterday I had to read 84 quatre vents quatre
I know.
Quatre.
But yeah,
quatre vents
cat.
quatre.
All right.
Now this, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll discuss.
Question 5.
Utilisez leur. Utilisez leur.
Yeah, utiliser le.
Leur.
All right. So Anubhuti, go ahead for the first one.
Tu jouais au ballon.
No, imperative form. So it will be joue au ballon.
Ballon.
That's it,
Without
yeah.
S.
That's it.
Voilà. Yeah, without S, yeah.
So Sugandha will be doing the next one.
Yes, I proudly say ouvre la porte, which is without S.
OUVRE. Anubhuti,
Yeah.
this is an IR ending verb, but still in this
There is no
we remove
exception.
from
There's
Q.
an exception. Acha, I wrote S.
Okay, next one.
Then va a la gare.
Ne prendre pas la douche le soir.
Next one, Anubhuti.
No A. Pa. 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 Why no? Why are you writing no?
Ne.
Ne.
Pa.
Yeah. Ne pa pa.
What does ne pas peur was?
Like scared.
Fearful,
Afraid.
yaar.
Fearful. Something.
Yes,
Fear, I think.
Sugandham, the last one.
Sois
Soit heureux.
S-O-I-S.
Yeah.
Soit heureux. Heureux.
Just pronounce Parth. How do you say imperfect in French? How do you say? La.
Imperfect. I mean, this one imperative.
Yeah. La imparfait.
L'impératif. L'impératif.
Yeah.
Voilà. Acha, do you remember the conjugations of vouloir and pouvoir?
Yeah.
Vouloir and pouvoir. Okay, perfect. Now, let's do the question number 6. So, what you have to do is you have to give 5 advice to a friend who is going to the mountains to do ski.
5 advices.
Yes. 5 advices to a friend who is going to the mountains
Is it homework like Devo?
right now.
Okay.
Using imperative. Okay. You can use vouloir, pouvoir, whatever verb you want to use. No restriction. Sentences. We just need to make 5 using imperative as a proper advice.
Important points, like 5 important points to remember. The points.
And phrase, you can say phrase. We don't say points in French. We say phrase. Okay? Cinq phrase.
और remember को क्या बोलते हैं?
Garder dans la tête. You can say.
Garde à
Garder à la tête.